In this video, you'll learn how to use the menu management section of the dashboard. After logging in, on the left-hand side, you'll see the Manage section. Click on that to reveal a list of new options. Click on the Menus option. To access the Manage section of the dashboard, you will need admin permission. Remember to update this section with any new menus you're launching. That way you'll capture guest feedback from day one. You'll find a copy of your menu here. You can review published menus categorized by service style. Best practice is to never edit a published menu, otherwise you could cause disruptions for guests. Instead, always duplicate the menu before making edits. You can do this by hovering over a menu and clicking on the button with 3 dots to see the options. When you duplicate, you will have to give the menu a name first. On the right-hand side, under Menu sections, are your categories that you can use to rearrange and prioritize. This is useful for focusing on specific sections or following your menu structure. To add dishes, use the Add item, then start to type your dish name. If it's a dish that's coming back onto your menu or has been created before, just add the item back on with the plus button. If it's a new item, start to type your dish name, then use the Create New Item button. When selecting Insights categories, you can choose your own categories, including starters, mains, or small plates. Be careful not to have too many Insight categories and keep it streamlined. Below the Insight name, which is how it will appear in the dashboard, you can add a default name and description. These are your friendly customer-facing names for the dishes. If you leave this blank, the guest will see the Insight name. Click on Create New Item at the bottom of the page, then click on Done. Once your menu is complete, head to the bottom right to schedule the menu. Provide a version description and select whether it goes live immediately by clicking on Push Live Now, or schedule it for a future date using the Date Picker and Schedule button. Your current live menu will be automatically archived when the new menu goes live. For more information, visit our knowledge base